Hey guys, so this is my introductory video, like my intro video. Yeah, so today I'm gonna cook a steak for the first time in my life. I have no idea what's going to happen. And especially I have no idea why I'm in the bathroom. But this is how I started the video, I have no idea why. So yeah, we're gonna go in the kitchen. We're gonna try not to burn the kitchen down because this is like really the first time I'm cooking steak. I cook chicken, I cook everything but not steak because you kind of rarely find it here. So yeah, this is what we're gonna do today. And yeah, let's hope for the best and good luck to me, I guess. So this is a steak, guys. This is what we're gonna cook today. So guys, we have our steak. I know I should have pepper, but like balls of pepper instead of actual powder. But we're gonna have to use this one this time. And I'm gonna grab the other type after. We're gonna put some salt in there. Boom. Just a little bit of seasoning. I like to pour a lot of salt. I'm gonna season it a bit on this side too, just a little bit. Like I usually put a tablespoon of oil. The steak right now is just seasoned with salt and pepper. I'm gonna add the rosemary later and the butter even later than that. We're gonna try that technique. So we're just gonna have to wait until this heats up. Let me show you the steak, just so you can see it closer. Like, look at this. I don't know, can you see it, guys, in the video? Ooh. I don't know. To me, it looks juicy already. So, considering I'm doing this for the first time, I'm anxious to see what's gonna happen, to be honest. We'll see. We don't know yet. Okay, this is the moment of truth, guys. Let's see. Let's see how I'm gonna do this one, right? Boom. Oh man. Usually I want to leave it like 1 minute, maybe even less, a few seconds, like 45 seconds on one side, then turn it on the other side, all of that jazz. This is black Angus steak, if I didn't mention, but I think I mentioned, right? So we're gonna see what happens. Okay, now I'm gonna put some garlic in. You don't even have to peel it. I usually don't peel it because I'm not gonna eat it afterwards, so like this should be enough, right? Cool. There we go. Some butter there. Just make sure it gets into everything. Gonna put it on the steak as well, right? Now I'm gonna add some rosemary. And just for the flavor. Man, it smells so good. Now, what you wanna do right now is, because you can see the oil is kind of disappearing right now. So you can add a little bit more oil, right? Just to keep it going, but just a little bit. Like again, a tablespoon. Look at that. Boom. It looks good. It even smells good. It smells amazing. Actually, not even good, it's amazing. I'm not even sure if I'm gonna like the black Angus steak. But yeah. So here's the big reveal of the steak. I have no idea what's inside it, really, but we're just gonna have to see. I think it's well done, right? This should be well done. Like I said, guys, for me, this is the first time. I already took a bite, I'll be honest. It's so good. I mean, I know some of you might think this is rookie shit, right? But for me, it's fucking delicious. The most flavorful taste in this is the rosemary. I can feel the rosemary. Maybe I'll tone it down next time. And the salt, I can feel the salt. So it's super salty, but it's exactly how I like it, right? It just tastes delicious. And I love it, honestly, I love it. So maybe you guys do it differently, maybe you know exactly how it's done, right? But for me, like, it tastes delicious and I'm so hungry, so want to eat this, but not before we do the vegetables, right? Look at that. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Love it. So since I'm a degenerate, I'm gonna cook in the same pan as I cook the steak. So I'm gonna put them in the pan right now. The asparagus is not really something I'm pretentious about cooking. They're just like cooking like any other vegetable, so I'm not very pretentious about this. Some salt, you know, some garlic powder. If I can open the sucker. Boom, come on. Oh man. My food is overcooking here. Gotta work with me. You know? Oh yeah, that's the shit. Woo. I love spicy things. I like garlic. I like everything flavorful. I don't like sweets at all. That's why I probably don't eat red bell pepper. I hate red bell pepper, I swear. It's one of my weaknesses. If I see it, it's instantly, I can already feel how sweet it is, right? I want to give them this this oily texture, right? I don't even have to put more oil for it. This oily, glowy texture, right? Look at the highlights on it, right? I want that. I like that. Well, it's mainly putting oil on all the sides, right? Rolling them from here to there. Not much of a... So again, because I don't like sweets, right? I'm gonna put some more salt in there. You're probably wondering like, whoa, too much salt. Never for me, man. I can eat empty salt with nothing. I'm a degenerate. So yeah, I think it's done. So now I'm gonna show you exactly how it looks. The final product, you see? The steak. We got there some mashed potatoes. It's like 200 grams of mashed potatoes. It's super simple recipe. It's nothing to it. Like, it's just potatoes and milk. That's it. That's how I like it, right? It's exactly what I need. I don't need the butter. I don't need anything else. The asparagus, maybe you guys think it's overcooked. It's overcooked because I like it overcooked, right? So yeah, this is it. I think it's gonna be delicious. I know how the mashed potatoes taste. I just tasted the steak and it's fucking delicious. And I know I like that in any form possible, so it doesn't matter to me. But this is it. It's gonna be delicious. A lot of proteins, some carbs, fat from the olive oil, from the butter, from the steak. There's gonna be a lot of fat. Doesn't matter. One more thing before I go, guys. So what I wanted to show you is the contraption, the most expensive thing I used to stabilize my iPhone and to make these videos, right? The placement of the phone is one of perfection. So here it is. Didn't clean yet. Look at this. I cut this shit out open and I was putting my phone in, right? So it can lean forward and backwards a little bit, because you know this thing squeezes the phone and it doesn't fall through. So I was cooking from this side, on this side, right? Yeah, this is the contraption, guys. Oh yeah, and I put this sugar right here to stabilize it because the phone is too heavy. I don't know. I hope this helped, because probably not, because it's my first steak made, right? But yeah, I'm just showing you how I do it, or how I'm just learning to do it, right? So, see ya, guys.